The iPhone 18 Pro isn't just another upgrade, it's shaping up to be Apple's most ambitious redesign in years. And to understand why this matters, we need to look beyond surface-level leaks and focus on Apple's bigger strategy. The iPhone is no longer just a smartphone. It's becoming the core of Apple's AI ecosystem, mixed reality future, cloud services, and global connectivity plan. And according to multiple leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro is the first device truly built for that next decade. Let's start with design and color. Apple is reportedly introducing new premium tones like burgundy, warm coffee brown, and soft lavender. These aren't flashy colors, they're luxury signals. Apple is positioning the Pro lineup like a high-end fashion product, clearly separating it from standard iPhones. Now, the thicker frame. This isn't a downgrade, it's intentional. The extra thickness allows for a much larger battery, potentially the biggest ever in an iPhone, improved cooling, larger speakers, and space for advanced camera hardware. Apple is prioritizing performance and endurance over thinness, finally. And then there's connectivity. Apple's move toward custom communication chips could unlock better 5G efficiency, stronger indoor signals, lower heat, and even expanded satellite features. Leaks suggest satellite connectivity may go far beyond emergency use, enabling messaging, data sharing, and real-world connectivity where cellular networks fail. The camera system could be the biggest leap. A new high-resolution stacked sensor, possibly up to 200 megapixels, paired with a variable aperture lens, would push iPhone photography into true cinematic territory. Expect sharper photos, better low-light performance, real optical depth, and massive gains for video creators. Speaking of video, the iPhone 18 Pro may support 8K ProRes recording, advanced AI noise reduction, better stabilization, and longer recording sessions without overheating. This could make it the most powerful pocket video camera ever made. Under the hood, everything ties back to AI. From real-time translation and smarter Siri to on-device generative features, Apple is clearly preparing the iPhone to act as a personal AI companion, not just a phone. So should you upgrade? If these leaks hold true, the iPhone 18 Pro won't just feel new, it will feel like the start of a new era. This isn't just the next iPhone. It's Apple's vision for the next 10 years. What do you think? Is the iPhone 18 Pro worth the hype?